Hello, everybody. Welcome to my studio. Today, I'm painting my favorite topic, portrait, and I'm also painting one of my favorite faces. Do watch till the end. Enjoy. I have my sketch ready, and I suppose you have guessed the person from the sketch. Yes, it is Mammootty, the superstar of Indian film industry, especially South India, and the pride of Kerala, God's own country. So I am doing the base coat, the base wash of the face. I'm basically using cadmium red, cadmium yellow, cadmium orange, and burnt umber, a mix of all these colors in different proportions for the skin tone. For the eyebrow, for the eyes, and for the mustache, I'm using a mixture of ivory black and ultramarine blue. I'm also using the same combination for all the highlights that comes later on in the painting. As you can see, I'm using my hair dryer to dry, and every time I apply a new wash, I make sure the paint beneath is dry enough, otherwise the paint is going to smudge. I've used multiple reference pictures for this painting. I wanted to see Mammootty in a police uniform because I've always liked him doing such roles, police officer roles or military roles. So I picked up multiple reference pictures and used the face from one and the uniform portion from another and some of his emotions from another picture. For the beard, I've used a different brush, as you can see. I really do not know what it is called. However, it is a thick bristled round brush and it really worked. I've always wanted to draw and paint Mammootty as a detective or a police officer. Just like I said, I've always enjoyed those roles that he's done. And also getting that assertiveness and the seriousness on his face was a really enjoyable journey for me. as I painted. And finally, there is Mammootty as police officer, who's also fondly called as Mammookka by his fans. I hope you like the painting and the painting process. If you did like, do let me know your feedback. And also don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon next to it. See you soon with another painting. Take care. Bye.